Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, here to guide you through the captivating intricacies of law. Our channel primarily focuses on breaking down complex legal concepts into easily understandable parts. Today, we're going to explore the foundational aspects of contract law, a subject of immense relevance not just to law students, but to anyone with a curiosity for legal matters. So buckle up and get ready, as we're about to dive into the fascinating world of contract law. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is contract law? Well, in simple terms, contract law is a body of law that governs, enforces, and interprets agreements related to an exchange of goods, services, properties, or money. It's like a set of rules for all the promises we make in our personal and professional lives. Its importance cannot be overstated. Imagine a world without contract law. There would be no legally enforceable guarantees that the goods you purchased online would arrive at your doorstep, or that your landlord wouldn't arbitrarily raise your rent. It's contract law that holds people and businesses accountable to their promises, promoting fairness and trust in our society. From signing a lease to sealing a business deal to even clicking "I agree" on a software license, contract law is at work. It's everywhere, intertwined with our daily routines, ensuring our transactions are fair and legally sound. So contract law is essentially the backbone of many transactions we engage in on a daily basis. Knowing how vital contract law is, it's essential to understand the key elements that make a contract legally binding. First up, we've got agreement. This is where all parties involved have a clear understanding and acceptance of the terms. Think of it as a handshake deal, except it's on paper and it's legally binding. Next, we have consideration. It's a fancy term for what each party gets in return for fulfilling their part of the agreement. It could be a product, service, money, or even a promise. Then there's contractual capacity. This means that all parties must be legally able to enter into a contract. For instance, minors or individuals under certain mental incapacities may not have the legal capacity to form a contract. And finally, there's the legal purpose. The objective of the contract must be lawful. If the purpose of your contract involves illegal activities, well, that's not going to hold up in court, is it? Let's take an example. You're buying a car. The agreement is the car model and price. The consideration is the car itself and your payment. The contractual capacity is your legal ability to purchase, and the legal purpose is the lawful transaction of buying a car. Remember, all these elements must be present for a contract to be legally enforceable. So, why should you, as a law student or an interested viewer, study contract law? Well, the answer is simpler than you might think. Studying contract law opens up a world of practical benefits. It's not just about knowing the ins and outs of complex legal jargon, but about understanding how to navigate and negotiate in the everyday world. Imagine being able to draft and interpret contracts with ease, or understanding your rights and obligations under a contract. Imagine the power of knowing when a contract may be void or voidable, and the ability to protect yourself and others from unfair agreements. It's about more than just the law. It's about equipping yourself with a toolkit of skills and knowledge that can be applied in various real-life situations, from buying a house to starting a business. In essence, studying contract law equips you with valuable skills and knowledge that can be applied in various real-life situations. As we wrap up today's video, let's recap what we've learned. We kicked off our journey by defining contract law, painting a picture of how it forms the backbone of many legal, business, and personal transactions. We then dove deeper, unraveling the key elements that make a contract legally binding: offer, acceptance, consideration, and the intention to create legal relations. Further, we explored why studying contract law can be such a game changer. Not only does it open up a world of career opportunities, but it also empowers you to navigate the legal intricacies of everyday life with confidence and ease. This ocean of knowledge that is contract law may seem vast and daunting, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, keep that spark of curiosity alive and let it guide you on this exciting journey of learning. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.